So you feel like nothing you do is ever enough. And let's just call it out. You know, that feeling, that the one whispering, well, I'm doing all the right things. You know, I'm listening, I'm pausing, I'm trying to stay present. I am recognizing my I amness. I'm just being, I'm just choosing. So why does it feel like something is missing? Like you're still waiting for something to click, some final switch to flip, some hidden step you must have overlooked. Like no matter what you do, it's just not enough. And here's the thing though, it never will be, because you're still looking for enough from inside the assumption that you're not enough already. You're still trying to do your way into being. You're still trying to reach what has never been lost. You're still thinking that your I amness needs improvement. And that's like a fish trying to swim better so it can finally arrive at that ocean. It's already in the ocean. It's already swimming. It's already exactly where it's meant to be. But because it keeps looking for the water, for the ocean, it can't see it. So let me ask you this, some guided questions. What is missing right now if you stop trying to be anything at all? What is missing? If you stop trying to fix, improve, or change yourself in any way, what remains in this very second? Just lean into this. What do you notice? What happens when you stop looking for the perfect state and just sit in what's already here? What do you notice then? Who is the one that believes something is lacking? And if you don't chase an answer, does that belief even hold up? If you didn't think, well, I should be more aligned or I should feel different, would there be anything wrong right now? Your mind has convinced you that there's one more thing to get right, one more guided pause, one more video, one more I amness shift, one more insight, one more shift. Like there's a final key to unlock something. And then finally, you'll be in the state of the wish fulfilled, or you'll be in your true nature of I am or awareness. But the only reason it feels that way is because the mind keeps moving the goalpost. And you're not alone in this. It happens to all of us. Because who you are is not something you do. It's not something you achieve. It's not something you master. It's not something you control. It's what's already here. It's what's been here the whole dang time. And every single time you try to be enough, you're just overlooking that you already are. So what if you dropped all of it? Not just the chasing, not just the fixing, not just the waiting, but the whole idea that you need to get somewhere at all. What then? Because this moment is already the arrival. You are already sitting in everything that you want, and nothing more is required. Not one more thing is required. And yes, I know sometimes stories get the better of you and a pattern seems repeating. And that's where my somatic inquiry comes in through my one-on-one coaching. And you can find the details in the link below, or you can email me at hello@anilareddy.com. Or if you want to relax that fixer self, you can check out my unwind experience. But remember, it has to be no matter what you do, who you go to, what video you go to, whatever coach or whatever person you go to, and if you're seeking their help, it has to be experiential. Otherwise, please, seriously, save your money and do your own searching. You don't need another coach who's going to just give you some more information, okay? And you can just watch these videos too if you want. That is all. I will see you in the comments below.